Welcome to the Small Health Channel, where we explore the benefits of healthy living, one bite at a time. Today, we're going to talk about everyone's favorite leafy green, spinach. You know, the same vegetable that made Popeye the Sailor Man strong and muscular.
This'll stop them insect vultures.
Do you remember watching him pop open a can of spinach and become superhuman? Well, it turns out that Popeye was onto something. Body. Spinach is a superfood that is packed with nutrients that are essential for good health.
It contains vitamins A, C, E, K, and B6, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium.
When consumed regularly, spinach can help improve digestion, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Not only that, but spinach is also low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent food choice for weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. It is also rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. But did you know that you can grow your own spinach at home? It's easy and fun to do, and it ensures that you have a fresh supply of this nutritious vegetable on hand whenever you need it. Here are some tips to get started. 1. Choose a sunny spot in your garden or balcony where the spinach can receive at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. 2. Prepare the soil by adding compost and well-rotted manure to provide the spinach with the nutrients it needs to grow. 3. Plant the spinach seeds about 1 inch apart and cover them with a thin layer of soil. 4. Water the spinach regularly to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. 5. Harvest the spinach leaves when they are young and tender, about 4 to 6 weeks after planting. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Spinach is not only good for your health, but it's also easy to grow at home. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. And as always, thanks for tuning in to the Small Health Channel. We'll see you next time.